Hi, I'm Chris McShane, co-founder of Curious Department. This is Gloria, and welcome to our new home. Sorry, she hates being woken up as well now. She's giving me evils. Oh, hello. Welcome to our brand new home. We moved in 3 weeks ago. It's both our own home as well as the headquarters of the Curious Department. The Curious Department is a homewares brand that I started with my partner Ross about 4 years ago. Ross basically is the creative force behind everything. He designs all of our products, from wallpapers to velvet cushions and fabric to fine bone china adorned with bugs, and it's just been a fantastic sort of passion project that we've both been working on for the last few years. But we also do work full-time jobs, and with lockdown we were able to just continue to work from home, and it really made us just reevaluate why we're commuting every day, why we're spending so much money living in London, when really we wanted to grow our family and just live a more relaxed lifestyle, I guess. So yeah, as soon as lockdown was over, we started visiting houses. This was the first one we saw, and we just fell in love with it straight away. It's got so much potential, and you know, it's not just going to be a forever home for us, but it also can be a great show house for the Curious Department. So the house is on 4 stories. We've got the lower ground floor, which we're in now. This is the garden room, which then leads into the kitchen and the current dining room and utility room. Upstairs, we have our first guest bedroom, bathroom, as well as what we're going to call the cocktail lounge, which will be more of an adult space for entertaining, for drinks, and just general partying. Above that, we then have a floor of the bedrooms. There are 3 pretty large bedrooms, as well as a bathroom. And then upstairs is the attic conversion. It was a house that we just fell in love with during lockdown. Spending a lot more time at home, we finally decided to leave London and move to Hertfordshire. It's an Edwardian house. Previous owners lived here for 20 years. They really loved this house. You could tell they really looked after it, but decor definitely needs some adjusting. Can't wait to put our Curious Department spin on the interiors. We've got so many visions, so many ideas, and we really wanted to work with Lick because there's such a fabulous range of colors that really suits what we want to bring to life. So the house purchase just took forever, which was a good thing. We were able to save a bit more money, but also we were able to just pour every single moment for the last 6 months on every single detail of every single room we wanted to renovate and redecorate. And first few rooms that we wanted to really focus on were the ones that we're going to use the most. So firstly, we're really into entertaining with our friends and our family, so we decided we really want to focus on the cocktail lounge, being one of the first rooms for us to redecorate. It's going to be a room with its own bar. We're going to have some lovely comfortable seating. There's no TV. It's really a space where just friends can catch up and just, you know, put some music on and end up dancing to late hours. Another room that's really important to us is the cinema room. We do also really enjoy our Netflix and our, unfortunately, way too much Real Housewives. And so we really wanted to make sure we had a good space that we could just relax in. So the cinema room is another room that we're going to prioritize. And then of course also having a guest bedroom. You know, we are outside of London now, and so having a space where friends can stay the night and really have that kind of boutique-y hotel vibe was really a room that we really wanted to focus on as well. So this room is the garden room. It is an extension that was built on the house a few decades ago. And it is actually my favorite room in the house. It's just an amazing space. You got the sun rising right out the window in the mornings. So I'll sit here with Gloria, have my morning cup of coffee. And our plans for this room, we really quite like all the wood. We do have a bit of a mid-century vibe that we want to bring to the house. And so we're going to retain the wood panels, probably paint the wood panels though. I believe it is green number, oh God, I can't read it. So we're going to paint the panels a lovely sort of sagey green. It's actually green number 2, but we're actually going to keep the ceiling as it is in its kind of natural wood state. See how we get on. Reason why I love the garden room so much is, you know, obviously with the Curious Department, we're just obviously nature inspired. You can see it in our prints, very botanical and floral based. So this is obviously just the perfect room for us to showcase our designs and just embrace the outdoors. So during lockdown, we had lots of time to focus on which rooms we're going to begin. Of course, as we approach Christmas, it's absolutely impossible to find anybody to start on any of our jobs until January and February. So we'll use that time to start thinking about the other rooms in the house. We've got our master bedrooms, we've got 3 bathrooms that absolutely need some thinking. I mean, we've got carpet in the bathroom, guys. All of it needs to be ripped up. And yeah, we're gonna dive a bit deeper in. So yeah, watch this space.